Your night.
WXJ94 will be back on shortly.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 184, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Monmouth, Ocean, and Atlantic. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, and internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 184 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Monmouth, Ocean, and Atlantic.